Mommy, you my one and only. Hey, Jack, I want you to control me. Cannot take it any longer. Doing anything you wanna. Hot thing like fire. Girl, damn sugar mama looking like Maya. Love is a drug and I'm tryna get higher. If I'm defeating, baby, you must supply her. Let's take a trip to the moon, baby. Mama call her, told her I'll be on soon, baby.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hey y'all, this is me, Ray, doing the voiceover. I bought a new lens and I didn't realize how much noise it was making until I started editing this video, so I'll be doing a voiceover instead. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I went from afro to sleek ponytail, and I'll be doing not one but two different hairstyles. So one simple sleek ponytail and another one a little bit more edgy. Alright, going back to the video, the hair I'm gonna use is from ToAllMyBlackGirls, and as you can see, the packaging is hella cute. So ToAllMyBlackGirls is a black-owned company born in London, UK. I've actually worked with them in the past and uploaded a couple of videos using their Kinky Curly clip-in extensions, and that was actually way before I even big chop. I will list those videos in the description box down below as usual. So they sell wigs, clip-in extensions, hair bundles, drawstring ponytails, and a lot more. And by the way, I also have a coupon code, the RayRay10, in case you want to purchase your own. So the hair came with their custom hair clip, and they were also kind enough to send me one with my name on it. Like, I love it. It is so cute. Thank you so much, Anu. What I like the most about this packaging is that it comes with a little guide where it pretty much tells you how to take care of it, like what to do before installing the hair, how to wash it, etc. Like, very helpful. This is the hair. It's Kinky Curly and 22-inch. It has 4 combs inside. I sprayed just a little bit of water and brushed it. It's very soft. There was not much shedding. Quality is it. And one thing I would say about this brand is that their hair quality never disappoints. Now moving on to styling, I'm starting with freshly washed hair. This is how my hair looks combed out. I'm kind of proud of my little afro though. So what I did is, as soon as I washed my hair, I used Luscious Silk as usual. You guys already know, twisted my hair and then put my satin bonnet on and slept with it like overnight, and the next day untwisted it and then, you know, just comb my hair out. So this is the look. Anyways, I'm going to separate my hair and start with the small section. Spray some water first, then use my Denman brush to detangle it. Next, I'm gonna apply the Eco Styler gel, black castor and flaxseed oil, and go back to brushing, making sure that there's no knots like whatsoever. Then use this bristle brush to make it sleek and tie it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of my hair until I get to the top. As soon as I'm done with the section, I add it to the one in the back. So I'm gonna let you guys watch.
I want you to control me. Cannot take it any longer. Doing anything you wanna. Hot thing like fire. Girl, damn sugar mama looking like Maya. Love is a drug and I'm tryna get higher. If I'm defeating, baby, you must supply her. Let's take a trip to the moon, baby. Mama call her, told her I'll be on soon, baby. I used to do this in my room, baby.
Now that I've reached the top, I'm going to create a small section for the extra things I'm going to do here. So go back to making it sleek and all. And y'all know how I love my pigtails, so I'm going to make one on each side. The Eco Styler gel is great, but it doesn't keep my hair laid, so I'm gonna add the Gorilla Snot gel to lock it in. Then finally tie the hair in the back and move on to my edges. Don't judge me, I was honestly struggling to make them stay in place. Okay. Now for this section, I'm gonna do 4 ponytails in total, so separate each section, add the Eco Styler gel, detangle, make it slick using the small bristle brush, then secure it with a rubber band.
Let's take a trip to the moon, baby. Mama call her, told her I'll be on soon.
just like that.
Sweeping dishes, no broom, baby. She know I'm cooler than a bathroom floor. Hit it once, coming back for more. When she wind on a nigga.
Once I did my 4 ponytails, I joined them together, twisted the end, and added it to the hair in the back.
Shawty don't know what she here for. Love, I'm about to give it up. From the window to the wall.
I'm going to install the hair now. It has 4 combs, 1 on each side.
Head over heels, I fall. Mommy, you my one and only. The chick, I want you to control me.
And once it's installed, I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair and wrap it around the ponytail so nothing will show, and secure the end with a bobby pin. Lastly, the fun part, I'm gonna add some hair jewelry to give it more life. Okay, so this is the edgy look. Now for something a little bit more simple, I undid everything. You know, I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing except adding gel because I have like enough on my hair right now. So I just wet it, create my side part, and then use the Denman brush to detangle it, then go back to the bristle brush to slick down the hair. Just watching this video makes my arms hurt like all over again. I couldn't feel them anymore by the end of this video. Anywho, secure everything with the hair tie, and I added a second one for extra support, then use the Gorilla Snot gel so my hair won't move. Fixing my edges and my pigtails.
Mommy, you my one and only. The chick, I want you to control me. Cannot take it any longer. Doing anything you wanna.
Then installing the hair all over again.
Damn sugar mama looking like my eye. Love is a drug and I'm tryna get higher. If I'm defeating, baby, you must apply her. Let's take a trip to the moon, baby. Mama call it to the hobby.
And last thing I'm gonna add is my Ray Ray hair clip, and voila. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which style you liked more, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram at REY_MMDL, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.